Hello. We're just riding along here on the way from Phan Thiet to Baria in southern Vietnam, and we've stumbled across a bridge we've got to go across, which I thought was interesting. So we'll just ride across there and show you what it looks like. We haven't been on it yet. So this is the entrance to the bridge, which is obviously not that straightforward. And we've got to climb up on these planks so we can go on our side. And then point down, Dick, look down, you can see the river through the plank. Head down. Look down, Dick. You can see down the river.
Mark your head.
Oh yes, it's a bit low again.
Really
low, isn't it?
It's thin enough for you. Okay.
Okay, and then we've got to get down off the edge of the bridge without smashing the bottom of the bridge.
Yes. Okay.
And then Dick, say hello to the camera yourself as well.
Okay. Hello, we've done that.
Very good. Okay, bye.